Hello guys, today I'm going to share a new website. This website name is armquantify.com. In this website, how to create account and how to generate profit. On this website, if you want more video like this, please subscribe channel. Press the bell icon for more update for more video. Now guys, you can see how to create account on this website. You can see enter email address, enter login password, enter withdraw password, enter integration code, then click the registration button. After click the registration button, your account has been successful registration. I have an already account. I click the login now button, enter email password, add verification code, then click login now button. Now guys, you can see I enter my email address, password, everything, and you can see user who registered today and met the following condition can participate in the minimum bonus is 888 USD. If the single state deposit more than 100 USD, you can participate in. If the single deposit in the 300 USD, you can also rate this all integration. New user can get 10% rebate for first single rebate for more. You can also check and you can also rate this and information and how to top up and how to recharge in this website. Click here top up button and you can also check here basis wallet, smart account, basis wallet, and you can see smart wallet. When you recharge successfully done, copy go back wallet address where you recharge successfully done and click start complete button. My recharge are as done 5.7 USDT. You can see here, and this is the team button. Here show team reward first, second, third level. You can see, and this is you can also check activity plan. You can also read activity plan. You can also check production parameter protection. You can also check this is the invite friend. You can also check invite friend. You can see share a Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram. You can also remove this link, share Facebook, WhatsApp, and invite vote. You can also check I deposit 5.7 USDT, profit ratio 7 point. You can see and total. You can also contact customer service if you have any problem. And you can also check investment plan, contacts and customer. You can see quantity, how to complete your task in this website. Click your start button and now you can see my task is completing. When my task completing and take you this video, now you can see when you register on this account you get 8 USDT for you, and now you can see my task is complete, and again click and complete your 5 tasks same like this. My all tasks complete. How to withdraw on this website. Now go back and click withdraw button. After click withdraw button, you can see, and I click withdraw button, enter your amount, password, then click the withdraw button. Enter withdraw as password, amount, then click no withdraw button. Now you can see here the number of fee withdraw is on USDT. Now you can see, and now you can see withdraw success when I see withdraw it in this video. Now wait for withdraw receive. Now guys, you can see I receive my withdraw 5.890 USD time.